Hey guys, this is Miss Arlequin, and this is a short tutorial video on how to send an email using Gmail. The first thing you're going to want to do, besides starting up your internet browser, is you're going to want to go to your Gmail account. So my starting page is always Google. So what I'm going to have to do is from Google, go to the top right corner where it says Gmail and click it to get to the login page. But you could skip going through Google. You could just type in the web address gmail.com. It'll take you to the login page, and because I'm using my own computer, my username is already saved, and so all I have to do is type my password. But if I was using a different computer, I would type the username first and then my password. I would click sign in, and then that's going to take me to my email, my inbox. You can see all of my emails in the center. And then on the left-hand side of the screen, you have different menus of folders. And what you want to look for is the button on top that says Compose, because to compose something means to create or to write. And so that's basically what you're doing when you are sending an email. You are composing an email. Click that button, and then the message box on the right-hand side is going to pop up. The first thing you need to do in the message box is write down who you are sending this email to. So you're typing the person's email address. Now, this first email is just to me, Miss Arlequin, saying, "Hi, this is me and here's my email." You can see when I start to type my name, some names pop up of people who I have emailed or in my contact list. So actually, after you send somebody an email for the first time, Gmail makes it really easy for you, and you never have to type their full address again. If you are emailing somebody for the first time, then Gmail's not going to know them, and you are going to have to type the entire address. Make sure you type the person's address correctly. If you make a spelling mistake, it might send the email to somebody else who has that username or screen name, email address, sorry. Here you have the subject line, which is kind of like the title of an essay or a book. It just tells somebody what the email is about before they open it up. So, for example, if you look at my inbox, you can see that on the left-hand side, I have the names of the people who sent me the email. And then right next to it, you can see, for example, this one right here, Sue, my student from last year, sent me an email with the subject line question. So I know from that subject line that that email is her asking me a question. So for this is just a greeting email, so I'll make that my subject. Now I move on to the body of the email where I can actually type my message. And so since I'm emailing Miss Arlequin to let her know that this is me and here's my email address, I'm just going to type out my message. And once I have my message typed, I can pretty much hit the send button and my email will go to that person. Now I just want to show you one other quick thing. Sometimes when you're sending me an email or other people, you might want to attach a file. For example, you might want to send somebody a picture. Maybe you want to take a screenshot of a homework that was graded but the teacher has it listed as missing. Or you typed up a book report and you want to send it to the teacher. Or you're working with a group on a PowerPoint and you want to email them the PowerPoint file. If you go to the bottom of the message, right here where the paperclip is, it is the place that you click to attach files. Once you click that paperclip, then a Windows box is going to open up. It's a Windows box because I'm on a PC. If you're on a Mac, then the dialog box it's called. You can go to whatever folder you want where you have your file, and you can then click on the file you want to send, and Gmail will upload it and attach it to your email. So I'll just use this PDF that I have as an example. And you can see right here that it is loading. That's the progress bar, and once the bar is gone, the file is attached. Now that I have my email typed and I've attached the file I want, I can press send. I'm not going to actually send this one. This was just an example. If I was unhappy with this email, then I could just, right here on the bottom right-hand corner of the message, click the trash button and it will discard it and throw it away without sending it. And that's how you send an email. I hope that this was a helpful video to anybody who needed it.